Just trying. We came down here to race and ain't getting a chance to race, man.
Okay, y'all, so we tuned in today. We're here with, well, go ahead and introduce yourself and all that so the people know who you are if they don't know already.
I'm Eric Kenward. I'm the owner of Eric's Automotive and ekracing.net. We build chassis, we sell tons of parts. We're G-body specialists. We tune, customer support. We do race car consultation. It's pretty much anything there is in the race industry.
Right, and go ahead and can you tell the people how long you've been racing and how long you've been editing all of that?
I started racing when I was in high school out in the streets, and then as things progressed and got faster and faster, we started a family. You know, we decided to start class racing and grudge racing at the track, and then we loved it. So we just started following a bunch of class racing stuff, and then with my success in class racing, a lot of the grudge guys wanted me to come in and help them with their programs. So we started doing that.
Right, and I'll insert a clip of his class car right now. So y'all saw that clip, and can you tell us about your wagon? That's your class car, right? The
Yes.
Malibu wagon.
Yes, it is. So we started out in a wagon running nitrous on it, small block nitrous, and we won a bunch of records, set a bunch of, or won a bunch of championships with it and stuff, and we wanted to try another challenge. We didn't know anything about turbos, so we threw a turbo on it, and we started setting records and winning championships with the turbo on it. And now we converted it over to X275, and we'll see what the future holds for that.
Gotcha. Y'all done saw the car on my channel before. Like I said, it's a great running car, very nice, well put together. Now tell us about this new one in the grudge car everybody talking about.
So this new grudge car, we call it Dirty White Boy because it's kind of a ugly car. I'm a project in the 70s, so it's based off of an 80s rock song by Foreigner, Dirty White Boy. And the car, I seen a set of rules for this car for junior G-body. We knew that we only had about 45 days to build this car. We ended up building the car in 33 days from start to finish to making its first pass. We were happy with it. In 3 passes we were ready for the race. The race got delayed several times, and then now here we are when the race is finally coming around, and we got kicked out of the class that we built the car for.
Yeah, and why was that?
They apparently, all the other teams said that we were too much for them.
Golly, it's crazy. So, all right, Eric, so we got everything you do. We talked about your car. Tell everybody where they can find you, and you know, if they want to shop with you and all of that.
Anybody can call me at my shop, 772-567-8850. They can text me at 772-559-4928. Eric Kenward on Facebook, and I have a new website. It's going to be ekracing.net.
All right, I appreciate you, Eric. We appreciate your time. We'll catch up. You all right? You all right?
gave it to us, man. They gave it to us.
Power. Is that hook?
You should be on, yeah. Yep.
Cedric.